Hey, good evening. Welcome to Math for Kids number 75. 2 days in a row I've had a hard time making up a problem about one of our Olympiad practice ones. So Olympiad 30 number 5 you'll just have to do. But this is a problem based on Olympiad 31, problem number 1. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
The weight of a box of Legos is the same as 2 pounds plus 3/4 of the weight of the whole box, including the Legos. How much does the box of Legos weigh? Okay, do you understand the problem?
Yep.
Okay, how do you want to approach this one?
It says the weight of a box of Legos is the same as 2 pounds plus 3/4 of the weight of the whole box with the Legos.
Yep. Alright, so give me some ideas.
We don't have any ideas on this one.
Sure you do.
I don't think making a chart is a good idea on this
No,
one.
making a chart's not a good idea. You know how to do this problem. We've done lots of problems like this.
The whole box, the weight of the whole box is the same as 2 pounds plus 3/4 of the weight. Well, it's called the weight X.
Good idea. Okay. Why don't you write that down? Okay. So the weight of the box is X.
So, and our equation is X equals 2 plus
Stand over a little bit.
3/4 X.
Okay, there you go. So we took a word problem. The weight of a box of Legos is the same as 2 pounds plus 3/4 of the weight of the whole box of Legos. How much does the box weigh? We said, well, we don't know what the weight of the box is, so we called it X, and we're trying to solve from what the problem says. And the problem says that X equals 2 plus 3/4 X.
Oh, I know how to solve equations like this one.
Yeah, well, I told you know how to do this one. So what are you going to do
This
next?
is X minus 3/4 X equals 2 plus 3/4 X minus 3/4 X.
Okay, so stand out of the way. Okay. So what is this? How does this simplify?
These cancel.
Those cancel, and we have to figure out what X minus 3/4 X is. What is X?
1/4 X.
Okay, so write that
Or I can write it as X over 4.
however you want.
X over 4 equals 2.
Okay, wait for just a second because we might have gone too low. We did. X over 4 equals 2. Okay, so now we have to solve X over 4 equals 2. How do we solve problems like that?
Well, to multiply the whole equation by 4,
Okay.
we get X equals 8.
Okay. Okay, we multiply both sides by 4, and we get that the weight of the box of the Legos is
8 pounds.
8 pounds. Okay.
One
Very good.
tenth.
So the whole point on this problem is we just said we hadn't figured out what we were going to try to solve for, which was the weight of the box of Legos. We called that X. And then our equation became X equals 2 plus 3/4 X. That's what the problem said.
Yep.
And then we just solved that equation and got X equals.
X equals 8.
Good job. Okay, so that is Olympiad 31, problem number 1. Good job.